This video explains how to buy shares of IBU-tec Advanced Materials AG and walks through the practical steps. IBU-tec is a German specialist in advanced materials and powder processing, listed on Xetra under the ticker IBU.de. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and you will need to add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker IBU.de to find the listing. Then select the matching IBU-tec Advanced Materials AG entry traded on Xetra. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to ensure this is the correct listing. Confirm the ticker reads IBU.de in the exchange's Xetra before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to invest and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order will be queued and executed when trading reopens. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After execution, the new position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same steps.